DoorDash is one of the most popular food delivery services in the United States, and it can be a great way to earn some extra money. Here's what you need to know about how much money you can make with DoorDash. Average hourly rate. According to Glassdoor, the average hourly pay for a DoorDash driver ranges between $17 and $25 per hour. However, this rate may vary depending on your location, the time of day, and other factors. Average weekly pay. According to This Online World, DoorDash drivers earn an average of $23 per hour across the United States. If you work 40 hours a week, that translates to an average weekly pay of $920. Average monthly pay. According to Indeed, the average monthly pay for a DoorDash delivery driver in the United States is approximately $4,155. Average annual pay. According to Zippia, if you treat driving for DoorDash like a full-time job with a work week of 40 hours or more, you may earn an annual salary of around $55,000. However, if you treat it more like a part-time job, you may make an annual salary in the range of $20,000 to $25,000. Taxes. As an independent contractor for DoorDash, you are responsible for paying your own taxes. The amount that goes toward taxes will depend on your income level and other factors. It's important to keep in mind that these figures are just estimates and that your actual earnings may vary depending on a variety of factors. However, if you're looking for a flexible way to earn some extra money, driving for DoorDash can be a great option. I hope this helps.